All right, time for some tech talk on this Wednesday afternoon, and we're going retro right now, aren't we, Mike?
Oh my God, I've come across my favorite iPhone cases of all time.
Your favorite of all time?
Oh, I'm loving these. This is from Spigen. These are a limited edition. They've got an Indiegogo page where you can order these cases. And if you can see, this is kind of like the classic iMac style from days of old.
Yes.
And now you can relive that on your iPhone.
And it wasn't even that long ago. What was it, like 2000?
Somewhere in there,
Yeah,
yes.
around.
I was trying to come up with the year, but I can't remember anymore. But they've got all sorts of great colors and different designs, just like the old iMacs. I'm really partial to the red, but they've got different teal ones. They've also got green ones, as well as you can see red, my favorite.
We all know those iMacs were super trendy, and a lot of people might want these. So what's the price point for these? Oh, right.
Around $50, $55.
Okay.
So
that's pretty high for an iPhone case, isn't it?
I know, but they're so awesome.
Okay.
Look at this one here. They've got the old original iPhone.
Now, does it offer anything else other than being stylish?
Yes, it's got drop protection, air cushioning in it as well. There's actually two pieces to the case to kind of give it the depth. So,
okay.
So it's kind of got this one part here and then the translucent part, just like the iPhone case. And I've actually dropped it off a 10-foot ladder accidentally yesterday.
Accidentally? I thought maybe you were just testing it out.
An iPhone 10, no. And it still works, so I'm pretty happy about that.
Okay, that's awesome. And you also have a couple other phone-related items here for us, especially if you're on the go.
Yes, Mophie, they are fantastic with their batteries. They've got all sorts of different types of charging solutions. This is their Charge Stream Pad Mini. And a lot of these new phones, especially on the Android side and the new iPhones, they have wireless charging, so you don't have to plug them in anymore. You can basically, with this type of device, just put it on top of the pad. Of course, the pad has to be plugged in, and it'll charge it for you. So it's using the Qi standard, that's spelled QI, and again, works with all the new Android phones and the new iPhones, like the 8s and the iPhone 10s as well. And it's a tiny little pad here, which is kind of cool.
That's pretty small, yeah.
And so they also, if you just want the pad, they have it. If you want to take it to the next level, they've also got a travel pack as well. That's
handy.
Yeah, it is. So it's got the cool little case. It's got the charging pad, and inside it also has the USB adapter and a cigarette lighter adapter as well.
You know what? I love that, because there's nothing worse than not being able to find those little pieces and little adapters, especially when you're on the go or if you're traveling or, you know.
Yeah, you know, if you look at my suitcase, I've got like 20 cables and adapters kind of strewn all over the place, so it's nice to have it all in one little piece here, which is kind of cool.
That's awesome. And that is from which company?
Mophie.
Mophie, okay, all the same company.
Yes.
And then this is
loving this here.
Heavy duty kind of charger.
Yeah, these are from my friends Nomad, hellonomad.com. They make all sorts of cool cases, charging cables. Loving this. This is a military strength nylon lightning cable for iPhones and iPads. So, you know, typically the original iPhone cables you get with the phone or iPad, eventually the cable kind of gives out.
Well, they always spray right at the edges.
Yes, so this is like what's called 500D nylon. This you can beat the hell out of, essentially. And taking it a step further, this one's cool because it also has a battery built into the cable. So as you're charging your phone or charging this, you can get an extra full charge out of the battery itself.
Okay.
So great for traveling or just kind of keeping in your purse or wherever your knapsack.
Or if you're just like generally really rough with your stuff, right?
If you beat the hell out of your stuff, this is the cable for you. Again, from the folks at Nomad, hellonomad.com. It is all kinds of awesome.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yes.
Wonderful.
And cases, oh my God, it's like a dream come true for me.
And that's never going to leave your phone, is it?
Oh, no. No, I'm just, I'm loving this case right now.
And with that, we're going to say goodbye. Thanks for joining us.